at the clouds.
Mario!
What?
There's a new spot at the nature documentary, and they'll pay hundreds of dollars. And he's gone, folks. Can I join too? Sure. What?
We have to go.
Okay, fine. It's not that big of a deal.
I want money.
Oh, wow. So yeah, your plumber job isn't good enough anymore, huh? Well, I thought we were...
As being a plumber, we have to do something else besides plumbing poop.
We don't even do that anymore. We're plumbers without don't do plumbing.
I don't care.
Yeah, so now you're wondering why we're poor. The only type of money we got, the only type of money we get is freaking coins from the freaking blocks. And whenever we get 100 of them, they turn into a goddamn mushroom.
I know. But I want regular money.
Okay, whatever.
Okay. What are we supposed to? So am I supposed to hold these?
Yes, you should hold them.
Hold what?
You said you were gonna hold the friends. What? Exactly. Now you do the work. And I'm gonna walk away. Ah! Ow, Mario, why did you do that?
Because I'm walking away.
I don't think so. Yeah. That's it, you will. Sucker.
You guys are idiots.
Run! Toad is angry! Slow motion. Run! Why are we running in slow motion?
Oh, I don't know. Is all the time?
Hello. Okay, I have to go. Let's go up to the place where we can get our jobs. We are singing and adding to hoo-hoo-hoo-hoos.
I know.
Okay. Well, now we're here, but did registrations already stop?
For you.
Okay.
I'm going in! Ah!
SpongeBob, I think you know that didn't work.
My turn!
Mario, that didn't work either.
My turn.
Stop it!
No, we must get in.
Well, that sure flip isn't gonna work. Ah! Ow, I didn't even hit the door. Goomba, what the fuck are you doing here? I don't know. That's it, Mario. I'm going to jump. Just because...
Don't.
Whee! Psych.
Well, I sure am.
Holy crap! I don't even see you anymore. There you are. So, Mario.
Hopefully I don't get run over.
Okay, I'm gonna land on you.
Help, help, help.
Ouch! I hit my... You missed two, SpongeBob, by a mile. Ow. Yoshi, you too? Let's see if Boo can do it. Aw, he's a lot closer. Goomba? Aw, it's sad. Okay, let's go. Wait, Mario, look. It's a block. Let me hit it. Oh!
Until Mario got a concussion.
Ow. Let me try. I bet you I can do anything. Dead. SpongeBob is invincible, and so is the ghost, so let's see who can last the longest. So SpongeBob made it the longest. SpongeBob, you can stop now. You're gonna get a concussion if you have a skull in there.
I'm a sponge. I don't have a skull.
Okay, good point. Continue. Okay, be right back. You know what, Luigi? If we can't sign up for the original nature channel, we'll just make our own. Okay, Mario. Time to watch them. Oh, look at it. If you could see closely. I see a Goomba and a Yoshi. Look at the Yoshi and Goomba just standing together. I wonder what they'll do. Go. Holy crap, the Yoshi's eating the freaking Goomba. Oh God, he doesn't even have teeth. so he just numbs it down. It's gross. Oh, God. Bleh.
You didn't see anything.
Okay. Hey, guys, you want to eat mushrooms? Bleh.